Meet the Southern Cassowary, a living dinosaur stalking the rainforest, armed with a dagger on each foot and a temper to match. This bird tips the scales at 60 kilograms, sprints at 50 kilometers per hour, and can survive for 40 years, decades of apex attitude packed into feathers. It doesn't chase prey. It dominates through sheer presence. When threatened, it lunges, kicks, and slices with a razor-sharp inner claw capable of tearing through flesh in a single strike. In dense jungle, nothing escapes its second toe. No ranking facts were provided for this animal, but at 60 kilograms, 50 kilometers per hour, and a 40-year lifespan, the raw numbers alone speak to a creature built to endure and overpower. It's true. It's true. And that bird is the cassowary. Each foot carries a long, dagger-like inner claw, and a powerful kick can cause serious, even fatal, injuries. Often called the world's most dangerous bird, it's normally shy, but a cornered or provoked cassowary can lash out. Attacks on people are rare, yet they have on occasion proved deadly. Its greatest weakness? Open ground. Strip away the rainforest, and this bird loses its cover, its maze, its home advantage. But deep in the jungle, the cassowary reigns, feathered, fearless, and utterly untouchable. Which animal should we profile next? Tell us below, and subscribe for a new deep dive every week.